Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha. I'm a pro makeup artist based in London, and today I'm going to share swatches of the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil. So I have all 12 shades right here, and this is how I carry them in my freelance kit. This is all in a My Kitco bag. Now each of these retails for $22 in the US and £21 here in the UK. And of course, if you're a pro artist, definitely take advantage of the pro discount that you get. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's an airless pump, so you can really see how much you've used so far. And you get a pump with it. So this is, in my opinion, a very pigmented highlighting product, but in a more creamy format instead of a liquid. So the consistency is thicker than a typical illuminator that you would think of getting in a squeeze bottle or with a dropper. These are a thicker cream compared to those in terms of consistency. So in terms of shade range, they go from the very fair, really white, silvery kind of a shade. This is the shade Light that they have. And they go up all the way to the stunning, beautiful, rich color. This is called Queen. So there's definitely a shade for everyone. Now there's a few different ways you can use this. So you can use this as a straight up cream. So just apply it on the high points of your cheek, as I've done today. The shades I've used are Serenity. I applied that all over my cheekbone, and then I applied a little bit of Luna just on the highest point. But you can see it creates a beautiful wet sheen on the skin. I absolutely love that. In person, you can see a little bit of little glitter, not glitter, but shimmer particles. But on camera and in pictures, it just creates this beautiful wet sheen on the skin. Also, some of these shades, such as Starlight, this one, and I believe Synergy and also Paradise. These are more colorful kind of a highlighter, so great for editorial looks, or if you just like to wear colorful highlighters on a daily basis, go for it. But you do get those options as well, other than skin tone friendly highlighters. So as I was saying, in terms of application, you can apply it straight up like I have done today, or you can apply it under your foundation. So that creates a more subtle glow that radiates through the foundation. The most common way I like to use it is by mixing it into a moisturizer or mixing it into oils. And I love applying that on the body or also on the cheekbones, especially on my models for a beauty or a fashion shoot. It looks incredible on camera. Another way to get a slightly lower amount of highlight with this product is to mix it in with your foundation. So say you have a matte foundation and you want to make it a little bit more luminescent and radiant, especially during these drier months, you can definitely mix a little bit. A little goes a really long way with this product. So when I say little, maybe a tiny dot into your foundation, and that's more than enough to create a radiant finish with your foundation. And the last way, if you like a beaming highlight, is to layer this on top of your foundation like I have here. And you can go in with any of the powder highlighters you may own. Especially with Danessa Myricks, you have the Lightworks palettes. Depending on your skin tone, you can choose one or two. Or you also have the Enlight powders, which are very intense and look absolutely stunning. So essentially, you can use a powder highlighter layered on top of these. If you are around my skin tone, I would definitely recommend Synergy. If you're slightly deeper, Goddess looks absolutely stunning. And if you're slightly lighter than me, Luna is brilliant. So now that we've discussed the product, let's look at the swatches. Also, I just wanted to show you guys the duochrome nature of two of these shades. So the first one is Starlight, which is the blue shade. It has almost like a lavender shift. And then the second shade is Paradise, which shifts from a pink to a champagne gold. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you enjoyed these swatches, definitely give the video a like and also consider subscribing for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!